Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did this mirrored side table, pedestal, whatever you want to call it. And it's similar to the other one that I did, well, all the other mirrored tables I've done, which is two. One's really a rhinestone table. So I hope if you like the other ones, I definitely know you're going to like this one. It's really fun, a lot of glue and sticking and just fun stuff. And it's just perfect. You can also use it like as a prop at a wedding or a bridal shower or a baby shower. You can just like prop stuff on it. It's just perfect for so many things, in a beauty room, in your living room, bedroom, wherever you want to use this. And this is like half of the price or a quarter of the price you would see it like Gallerie if you ever see this anywhere. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. And yeah, I can't wait to show you how I did this. Let me put this down. Oh, excuse the barking, there's like crazy dogs in my neighborhood. So these boxes here I got from USPS and I'm going to be using them in this project. I have a small, extra small, and it's $1.19. It's $1.99, sorry, and it's an extra small. So I'm going to just put that in the corner. And sorry, this is the car of a crazy person. So then the next one is $2.19 and it's a small, so it's just a size up. And then the next size I have is a M, which is medium, $3.49, and they're all from USPS. You can order these online and and it's spray paint, and this is the Krylon Pro Professional, I guess. Metallic spray paint, and this is like $5.88. I believe I got it from Lowe's. And then just random scissors, some duct tape. Sorry, this is like the boot of my car, so bear with me because I just had to get everything out in this way. And then you also need mirrors, and I have a lot of them. Well, no, here's all the mirrors, and I got it cut down. This is spare mirrors, so I got all these cut down to the size of the boxes, and I have 5 for each box. So yeah, and that's all you'll need. Oh, and glue as well, which I have indoors, but we're gonna get started. So yeah, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's start this video. 3 of the boxes taped. I just have to tape, I've taped the bottom of this one, so I'm gonna tape this top, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I have them like stacked together right now, and you're about to see this magic. So you want to make sure it's very secure and taped up so it doesn't pop open. So I'm using like a very strong duct tape and just taping the box together where they open up. And these boxes, as I said, are from US. So I'm just checking the placement because I want that isometrical weird shape. So mess around with it, see where you want everything placed, and spray paint. Okay, so now it's time for spray paint. So I'm gonna just spray paint the whole box and just carefully do it around the sides. Make sure every part is metallic and glossy. This is actually called gloss aluminium. Make sure you get every side, and just because, you know, in case the mirrors do come up, it looks metallic underneath and not like a box. That's what I do it for. It's just a mind thing, really. Okay, so this is how your boxes will look once you are done, almost done actually. And don't worry if you spray paint the floor. Of course, put newspaper underneath it if you're doing this out indoors. Okay, so now we're done, all sprayed, ready to go. I love the finish of this, it's glossy. I'm actually going to be using this spray paint a lot. It's actually really good. I love the Gloss Aluminium by Krylon. So this is actually the next day now, and I'm going to, the boxes are dry now, so I'm going to glue them we'll put glue down on the tops of it, so I can get ready to put the mirrors on top. So this is my biggest box, which is the medium, and I'm just putting cork glue down to just have a base for the mirror, I guess. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I had to take this project inside because this is Texas and it is so hot, like I was sweating buckets. So I did a lot outside, but here's what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to like secure the mirror on the edges of the top of the second box, so the middle box. And I'm basically, as you can see, it's sliding. This glue is really like, it takes time to like really dry and set. So you have to kind of look, as you can see, I'm moving my hands to push it back up to the top. You want the corners to all meet at the top. So that's what I'm doing right now. Sorry you missed so much that was off camera because of the heat. It was just too hot outside. Like I had to come inside. So keep pressing that down. As I said, it might take 10 minutes to really like get it to stay in position. Like it's stubborn, you have to force it to stay in position. And that's what I'm doing right now. End of the project. And don't ask why I put my rug outside, but the lighting outside is so much better in natural light, especially if you're looking at mirrors and stuff. So here it is. Can you see this isometrical goodness? Whoa, don't mind my toes in the background. So it's done. I love it. Comment below if you like this pedestal side coffee table. Love it. It's amazing. I just love, can you see how the shape goes down the middle? It's so isometrical and weird. The mirrors just look so different. I didn't even expect it would look like that. Wow, I'm amazed, like amazed. This might top the first one, who knows. Oh my god. And dolls, tomorrow I'm gonna have another mirrored project. This might be the last for a while now, but another one more, so definitely check it out on Friday. It'll be up tomorrow, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, it's amaze balls. Love it. So gorgeous. Excuse the mirror and all that, excuse the glue marks, because there was a lot of glue, like the glue was really bad, so excuse the glue, but other than that, it's freaking awesome. I love it. I love it so much. Pretty. So it's done. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Oh my god, my sandals in the background. So give it a big fat thumbs up. If you want to see more tutorials and how-tos like this, comment below, let me know what you want to see next, and definitely wait tomorrow. I'm going to be having another DIY just like this one, so stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, I guess I said subscribe. So I'll see you dolls soon. Love you dolls. Mwah.